Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, agents-cli, a new tool from Google that's attracting hundreds of developers. It provides the command line interface and skills to turn any coding assistant into an expert for creating, testing, and deploying AI agents on Google Cloud. We'll explore how this could fundamentally change agent development for everyone. What if the next big leap in developer productivity isn't another AI assistant, but a tool that teaches your existing assistant new tricks? A new project is gaining traction by doing just that. It turns AI coders into expert cloud engineers, automating the entire lifecycle of building and deploying other AIs. The project is called agents-cli, and it's an open-source tool from Google. At its core, it's a command line interface with a special set of skills designed to transform any coding assistant into an expert at creating, evaluating, and deploying AI agents on Google Cloud. It's written in Python and is getting a lot of attention, having already accumulated over 4,100 stars. In fact, more than 440 of those were added in just the last day, signaling some serious developer interest. So, what problem is this really solving? Well, building enterprise-grade AI agents is messy. It involves a tangled web of cloud services, APIs, and deployment pipelines. Developers traditionally spend huge amounts of time manually learning and integrating all these different components. The process has always been fragmented and complex, demanding expertise across development, evaluation, and operations. The unique angle of agents-cli is that it abstracts this entire lifecycle into a set of commands that an AI coding assistant can understand and execute. So instead of developers learning dozens of tools, they can simply tell their AI assistant the desired outcome in natural language, and the tool handles the rest. The design philosophy here is key. Agents-cli is not another AI, but a tool for an AI. It acts as a high-level orchestrator, providing a simple facade over the complex machinery of Google Cloud. Its most innovative feature is its skills system. Now, these aren't executable code. They are structured documents designed to be read and understood by a large language model. This means an AI assistant learns the tool's intent and workflow, not just how to call a function. It's like giving a master chef a cookbook that explains the chemistry behind cooking, not just the recipe steps. The tool also features a powerful evaluation framework. A command called eval supports advanced techniques, like using an LLM as judge to score an agent's performance. This creates a tight, data-driven loop for refining and improving AI agents before they go live. AI developers are the primary audience for this tool. They can instruct their coding assistant, use agents-cli to build an agent that summarizes text, and the assistant will then handle all the project scaffolding, setup, and deployment to Google Cloud. DevOps engineers can also benefit by using its commands to rapidly configure an automated testing and deployment workflow, often called a CI/CD pipeline, for new AI projects. Getting started appears straightforward, requiring just a single installation command. Afterward, developers can interact with the tool through their preferred coding assistant or directly in the terminal for maximum flexibility. So, what's the community saying? Early adopters praise the project for streamlining the path from prototype to production and for bridging the gap between AI development and operations. However, the community also expresses some caution. The deep integration with Google Cloud raises valid concerns about vendor lock-in. And since the ecosystem is still new, there is limited feedback from large-scale, real-world implementations, making it a point of observation for many. Looking at the other side of the coin, the project's greatest strength might also be its most significant risk. Its tight coupling with the Google Cloud ecosystem could deter teams committed to multi-cloud strategies. It is also labeled as a preview product, which means its APIs are subject to change, making it a risky bet for critical production systems today. Furthermore, its reliance on an AI assistant's interpretation of skills introduces a new potential failure point. A misinterpretation by the AI could lead to deployment errors that are difficult to debug. In the end, agents-cli is more than just a utility. It's a blueprint for a new paradigm of AI-driven software engineering. It standardizes the messy process of AI operations, offering a glimpse into a future where developers direct AIs to build, test, and deploy other AIs.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.